You can create a full-time income online working as little as 1 hour a day from that very device that you're watching on, but you're too busy being skeptical, thinking everything's a scam, scrolling away, looking at videos of unicorns and kittens, and the reality is that it doesn't have to be complicated at all. I give away my entire blueprint all for free right here on my YouTube channel, and you could see everything that I do on a daily basis to create a full-time residual income online. And the truth of the matter is, you could do the exact same thing, but the only thing that is stopping you from doing that is your ability to be a go-getter and follow simple instructions that I lay out for you right here. So plain and simple, if you want to replace your 9 to 5 income, if you want to have more freedom, if you want to spend more time with friends and family, I lay out everything for you right here, and you could follow along. You could see over my shoulder, click by click, paste this here, drag this over here. I show you everything that I do. And if you have any questions before getting started, you could shoot me a quick text and I will answer you. I leave my phone number on these videos. And if for whatever reason you don't resonate with what I give you right here, no worries. I don't even want your email address. I will not ask you for your email. I will not convince you. I will not twist your arm, but you have to check it out for yourself and see whether or not this is truly a fit for you. So go right there, go to the URL on screen, and I'll meet you over there and see you on the inside.